A long getaway became a must after many months of lockdown. हमने डिसाइड किया to spend our Merry Christmas in none other than enchanting and mesmerizing Mahabaleshwar, which is close from Pune and also safe for family. After all, COVID अब तक नहीं गया है. With much careful thinking, we planned to spend our 4 days vacation जहां हम अपनी व्हीकल से easily पहुंच सकते थे. Myself Namita and I welcome you to my channel with a warm heart. ये मेरा second travel vlog है where I will show you how we spent our 4 beautiful winter days in Mahabaleshwar, a queen of hill stations, by sightseeing magnificent high points, archaeologically significant temples, mesmerizing rivers, enthralling new places and leisure educational activities. मैं separate videos post करने वाली हूँ on every single day of my trip. If you have been following me until now, my lots of love to you all. If not, then do take a moment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting stuff coming ahead. Do also check out my first travel vlog after lockdown on Sihagarh Fort. I'll share the link in my video description. हम अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकले एट 8 AM और उसके पहले हमने अपने पपी को सेफली ड्रॉप किया उसके डे केयर कम रिसोर्ट में. ही लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद अदर पपीज एंड डॉग्स हियर. महाबलेश्वर मेरे घर से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 131 किलोमीटर्स है. For toll in spite of having FASTag. कई बार मुझे लगता है इसे स्लो टैग कहना चाहिए. Anyways, we began our drive uphill on Khambatki Ghat, which is a favorite route to drive of my husband. यहाँ incoming traffic नहीं मिलता. This time round, however, we were in for a surprise. हमें heavy traffic मिला and we were stuck for almost 45 minutes. हमने देखा कि around 15 to 20 vehicles, many of them even brand new, broke down हो गई है in the middle of the peak traffic and there was hardly any help that could reach them. Strangely, हमारी कार का हॉर्न भी अचानक से बंद हो गया, but luckily it came back to normal after few minutes. Do give your vehicle adequate rest in between such situations and avoid overloading if possible. जैसे ही ट्रैफिक क्लियर हुआ, हम सबने राहत की सांस ली और मेरे हबी हमारी कार को थैंक्स कहते थके नहीं. We halted at Hotel Gandharva, which is just before you enter Vai. It has a village kinda setup with simple seating and airy space. Ladies facilities यहाँ clean and hygienic है. कुछ साल पहले मैंने यहाँ से ड्राइड बेरीज खरीदे थे, which can be used in biryanis or pulao and it tastes delicious. We ordered some traditional dishes like misal pav, vada sambar, thali peet and cool buttermilk. We also like the cardamom tea over here. काफ़ी मराठी डिशेस में कोकोनट होता है, and if you're not fond of it, then you can request for a dish which has no or little coconut in it. Outside this hotel, my baby got tempted for purchasing fresh and bright looking strawberries, a popular fruit from Mahabaleshwar. We continued our journey after much needed break and reached Panchgani around 12 pm. महाबलेश्वर यहाँ से अराउंड 18 किलोमीटर्स है. पंचगनी के एंट्रेंस पे वी वर चार्ज एन एंट्री फी ऑफ ₹140 जो कि 7 डेज के लिए वैलिड था. ऑन सिमिलर नोट वी वर ऑल्सो चार्ज एट महाबलेश्वर एंट्रेंस. Do make it a point to keep these tickets handy in your vehicle close to your windshield so that the officials can see them from a distance and won't stop you unnecessarily. Mahabaleshwar is situated at a high altitude in the heart of Sahyadri Hills. हमने पहले लगता था कि उसका नाम लॉर्ड शिवा टेम्पल की वजह से है. हाल ही में साइट सीइंग के वक्त पता चला that its name has been derived from Lord Mahadev Temple as well as 3 other Sanskrit words, that is Maha meaning great, Bal power and Ishwar God. Some people also relate the name with mythological past as the name Mahabaleshwar also means Atibal, Mahabal and mighty Lord Shiva. ब्रिटिशर्स में ये जगह बहुत फेमस थी. उन्होंने इस हिल स्टेशन को डेवलप किया एज their favorite pastime destination during summers. That's the reason why many tourist spots over here have English names. It is known for its panoramic view of the sea and the lush green valley, and also for its climate, excursions, sports, waterfalls, berries like mulberry and strawberry, and many other activities. काफ़ी साल पहले हम यहाँ पीक मॉनसून्स में आए थे and we saw many ephemeral and enthralling waterfalls like Milingmala and Dhobi waterfalls. It's a perfect getaway and September to December months are good times to sightsee. On the way, यहाँ पहला high point आता है, that is Harrison's Folly. One can stop by and get a glimpse of how Mahabaleshwar will look in its full glory. We reached our resort around 1 pm. It was a charming one, nestled right between the trees everywhere. A courteous staff and excellent play and recreational facilities for kids and adults both. It has good ratings for its food and it allows only families. बुकिंग के वक्त हमें हेल्थ सर्टिफिकेट लाने के लिए कहा गया था, विच शुड बी 48 hours प्रायर टू अराइवल डेट. Our body temperature was checked again at arrival. This resort has 3 wings and Redstone is best known to offer a spectacular and unhindered valley view. Due to Christmas closing in, we could manage to get a booking for Orchid Wing top floor that also gave us a beautiful but partial valley view. अगर आप कभी इस रिसोर्ट को ट्राई करना चाहते हैं देन ईदर चूज रेडस्टोन और द टॉप फ्लोर्स ऑफ ऑर्किड विंग. फॉर बिग फैमिलीज फॉरेस्ट विंग इज रीजनेबल. दिस टाइम राउंड ड्यू टू कोविड यहाँ कोई भी सोशल गैदरिंग्स या सेलिब्रेशंस अलाउड नहीं था एंड वी वर रिक्वेस्टेड टू सेलिब्रेट अ क्वाइट क्रिसमस विद आवर फैमिली इन आवर ओन रूम वेयर फूड वॉज बीइंग सर्व्ड अंटिल लेट मिडनाइट. We were starving and quickly headed for lunch. On our way, हमने रिसोर्ट को और भी एक्सप्लोर किया. How I wish the pool would have been operational. Due to COVID, it was temporarily closed. This became my favorite spot to relax and unwind. A common area beneath the trees with comfortable Indian sitting. After a scrumptious lunch, we headed directly for sightseeing as planned for day 1. Mahabaleshwar has many exotic viewpoints that has spectacular access to the ultimate in fascinating landscapes. For day 1, हमारा plan था to explore high points that were highlights of Mahabaleshwar और same route में fall होते थे. We planned to visit Elphiston Point, Savitri Point and Arthur's Seat, which has total 6 high points including itself, जो कि है विंडो पॉइंट, Malcolm Point, Tiger Springs, Echo Point and Hunting Point. We moved from resort around 3:30 p.m. and took Old Mahabaleshwar road. यहाँ फील होता है मानो 50 साल पीछे चले गए हो. It is a narrow road covered with dense forests. In broad daylight as well, light could hardly reach the ground and it was a scenic beauty. However, this was absolute scary after sunset. काफी लोगों को यहाँ nature walk लेना अच्छा लगता है. When traveling with family, try to move in the daylight back from this road. We reached Elphinstone Point at 4 p.m. The beauty and magnitude of nature's powers can be felt in the calm mountain ranges here. The cool greenery all around gives a soothing effect to the mind and makes one wonder about the magnificent nature in all its grandeur. This point is one of the highest points in Mahabaleshwar, overlooking the two valleys with rivers Koyna on the left and Savitri on the right. The lofty cliff commands a panoramic view of the Pratapgarh Fort, Koyna Valley and nearby plains. One can also admire the ravine which lies between Elphinstone Point and Arthur Seat Point. यहाँ हमने काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड किया admiring nature and clicking photos. यहाँ मंकी से बचकर रहना, स्पेशली लेडीज का पर्स चुराने में बड़े शातिर है ये. हमारे सामने एक लड़की की सैंडल्स भी चुरा ले गया. यहाँ खाने पीने के लिए काफी स्नैक्स आइटम मिल जाते हैं. वी हैड सम कॉर्न मसाला एंड हेडेड टू आर्थर सीट व्हिच वाज हार्डली 5 minutes from here. Arthur Seat is a must visit high point and undoubtedly a queen of all the points. Again, there are tons of snacking options available and was thronged with tourists. We tried our shouting skills and Eco Point and it was fun. Eco को एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए Kate's Point भी बहुत पॉपुलर है.
नीचे से बोल रही है, सामने से नहीं बोलती. जोर से बोल. निकाल नीचे. जोर से.
हेलो. नो नो.
मैं करूं?
तुम ट्राई करो.
देवा.
ये आई.
This is nice, ना? मजा आ रहा है.
This was fun.
Okay.
ये आया. सच में आवाज आया. मम्मा की टर्न. चलो.
Next, we spent some time at Malcolm Point. Going ahead, we stopped by Tiger Springs. यहाँ हमें दो इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें मिली. एक तो यहाँ का नेचुरल स्प्रिंग वाटर is so clear, fresh and cool to drink. The taste is pure mountain water. It seems कि यहाँ टाइगर्स आते थे to drink water. यहाँ हम मिले बनूबाई से. वो काफी ओल्ड थी और लोगों को फ्री में पानी दे रही थी. हमने 2-3 ग्लास पीने के बाद उन्हें 20 रुपीस दिए, पर उन्होंने वो पैसे हमें वापस कर दिए ये कह के कि वो सेल्फ सर्विस करती है. We were quite surprised and insisted her to take some money. उन्होंने ने हमें फिर भी 10 रुपये रिटर्न कर दिए ये कह के कि 20 रुपीस ज़्यादा है. उनसे काफ़ी बातें हुई हमारी. उनका परिवार काफ़ी बरसों से पानी देकर लोगों की सेवा करता है. उनके मुताबिक उन्हें पैसे वही लोग देते हैं जो काइंड एंड जेनरस है. वी वर क्वाइट इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हर थॉट्स. अगर आप भी काइंड एंड जेनरस हो देन डू अप्रिशिएट बनूबाई फॉर हर सेल्फ सर्विस. मूविंग अहेड, out of the blue, we saw a wild bison first time in the open. It was broad daylight. It was a sight to devour. Such a magnificent beast looking all cool and busy by himself. We continued to Window Point, which is right in front of Arthur Seat Point. It got its name because of its naturally formed window-shaped mountain. Hunter's Point got its name as it was used for hunting by British officers. Malcolm Point is a great place to view Tornagarh, Pratapgarh and Savitri Valley. Finally, we reached Arthur's Seat. The highlight of this point is its spectacular, picturesque vista, a scenic beauty like none other, a scary, direct drop right below the extended seat, having Konkan on one side and Desh or Deccan on the other side. It has a magical rustic charm to it. यहाँ से वैली व्यू बिल्कुल ग्रैंड कैनियन जैसे दिखता है. This point is named after officer Sir Arthur, who frequented this spot to gaze at the Savitri River, where he lost his wife and children in a tragic ferry mishap. कहा जाता है कि ये स्पॉट फेमस है फॉर फ्लोटिंग लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. If you throw items like cold drink cap in the valley, वो वापस ऊपर आ जाता है ड्यू टू एयर प्रेशर। At around 6 p.m., we decided to go back to Elphiston Point to watch the sunset. One tip: अगर आपको डायरेक्ट आर्थर सीट जाना है by skipping rest all points, then enter via exit and come back same way. Due to low battery of my mobile, I could not capture Savitri Point and sunset. I have captured a beautiful sunset, which I'll be more than glad to share with you. We were worn out and were glad at same time to have spent an exciting and delightful day 1 in Mahabaleshwar. After a hearty dinner, we rushed for a good night's sleep to be up and active for day 2. Stay tuned for my next vlog on how I spent my second day in Mahabaleshwar. Until then, take care.